You are a creator of your reality, and the power to create doesn't begin with action, it begins with intention. In The Power of Intention, Dr. Wayne Dyer explores the unseen force that shapes our reality. Intention is not simply a wish or a goal, it's a universal energy, a field of infinite possibilities that you can align with. 1. Intention is a field, not a thought. Most people think of intention as something you do, like setting goals or making plans. But Dyer says, intention is much bigger. It's a spiritual energy, an invisible force in the universe that's creative, expansive, and always flowing. You don't create intention, you connect to it. 2. Everything in the universe emerges from intention. From galaxies to human beings, from oak trees to ideas, everything begins with intention. It's the source behind life itself, and it's not limited by time, logic, or physical form. When you live in harmony with intention, you tap into a greater intelligence that guides you with grace. 3. Your thoughts and energy. Attract your reality. You attract not what you want, but what you are. If your energy is rooted in fear, you invite more fear. If your energy is tuned to joy, you attract more joy. To align with intention, you must tune your frequency to love, peace, and possibility. 4. Connect to the 7 faces of intention. Dyer outlines 7 qualities of the intention field. These are the energies you must embody to align with it. Creativity. The universe is endlessly creative. Kindness. Intention is generous and loving. Love. The foundation of all creation. Beauty. Everything in nature reflects harmony, expansion. Life is always seeking to grow. Abundance. There is no lack in the intention field. Receptivity. Intention gives freely to those who allow to live with intention. You must become these things. 5. Ego blocks intention. The ego wants control, status, separation, but intention flows through surrender, unity, and trust. The ego says, I am what I have. I am what I do. I am what others think. But your true self is none of those things. To connect with intention, you must quiet the ego and remember your divine nature. 6. You become what you believe. Belief is the bridge between your mind and the field of intention. If you believe you are limited, you cut off the flow. If you believe you are part of something infinite, you open the channel. Affirm daily, I am connected to Source, I trust the process, I live on purpose, and your reality will begin to reflect it. 7. Intention is not about forcing outcomes. You don't need to chase results, you need to align with the field and allow it to work through you. Let go of the how. Focus on the who are you being? And does that version of you match the life you want? The more you align internally, the more things fall into place externally. 8. Be a host to God, not a prisoner of doubt. When you trust in something greater, you stop resisting life. You become a vessel for love, compassion, joy, and meaning. When doubt creeps in, remind yourself you are not alone. You are not powerless. You are connected to the source of all things. 9. Serve others as a path to intention. Intention is not selfish, it's service-oriented. When your desires uplift others, they become supported by the universe. Ask, how can I help? How can I give? How can I love more, and watch as life begins to flow with less resistance. 10. Gratitude, silence, and trust. Strengthen the connection, spend time in silence. Practice gratitude. Trust the timing. These are not passive states, they are powerful acts of alignment. The more thankful you are, the more abundance flows. The more still you become, the more clearly you hear. And the more you trust, the more you receive. The power of intention teaches us that you are not just a body or a brain or a list of accomplishments. You are a spiritual being connected to an intelligent source that wants to co-create with you. You don't need to force life. You just need to align with it and allow intention to guide your path. Because when you let go of ego and live from the energy of love, you become the person who effortlessly attracts everything that matters.